gotta start branding my name. I gotta do better and move on to bigger things. I listened to my mama and I stayed up out the streets. I opened up my mind so I can see all of my dreams. I put so much work in, I can spell team with a 9. They thought I was a killer when I believed that I could fly. Between me and you, there's a difference in you and I. Some things you love more be the thing that just have to die. She thought I was just a plain Jane. Saw that moving different, now she wanna live my bed. Now she wanna get the fame. Driving all these cars, you know that I be switching lanes. I be moving fast, I'm trying to get up off my feet. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As you can see, man, but make sure y'all hit that like button before you do anything else, man. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, I know y'all, for y'all niggas that listen to music, I know y'all been listening to that new big Scar, man. Hey, I already got all the songs that gonna blow. They're gonna be the one, and they don't have stars by them. You know what I'm saying? But you know, they one alright. But like that song Toe Tag with Key Glock, Doe, and the one with Pooh Shiesty and I'm Him. Hey, Cub went crazy. It's more though, but I'm the one on top of my head. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Cub went crazy, man. R.I.P. Big Scar, man, crazy, bro. But yeah, man. Y'all can see a nice little POV, but it's a nice day outside. I just washed up Olivia, man. You know what I'm saying? She looking good right now. You feel me? Looking good on some smooth. I don't even know what to call that video. Real talk. I just literally turned the camera. I was like, man, let me turn the camera right quick before I just, you know what I'm saying? Before I head in. You know what I'm saying, man? But hey, like I said, man, hit that like button on the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. As y'all can see, we're in custom mode. As soon as I downshift, 12 want to be around. We in custom mode with it, man. I got my custom mode in street mode. It's transmission in street. So that downshift kind of soft. Unless I'm at high speeds. You know what I'm saying? And I just watched, they got the windows up. Oh my lord, the light is green and people are stopping. How does that make sense, bro? Somebody tell me how that makes sense. But yeah, man, we in traffic with it. Y'all can see. I don't know what I'm gonna call that video, but just know we in traffic. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all a little noise, man. With the windows up, by the way. Cause I just watched it, you know what I'm saying? Not too long ago, probably like an hour ago now. But yeah, man, something slight. A little slight word, man. Staying consistent, man. We're gonna get that 10K by April, car crew. Before April or by April, you know what I'm saying? Oh. What the world, bro? Folks be killing me, bro. Like, why y'all be driving like that? And she got her name on her tag. Say date. Like it say Daisha, but I know it say Daisha, but it's spelled D-Y-S-H-A-H. What the hell? That's crazy. Probably on Instagram now. Uh-oh. Now you downshift without, I ain't even pressed the thing, you know, cap. Cause you'll know if I did, cause the numbers will pop up right there. But yeah, man, I don't know what I'm just cruising, really. I don't know if this video might get posted, it might. But I'm just doing, you know what I'm saying, a little slight little POV. Dang, where he at, man? See, car, I can't even, I thought it was him over there, but that Impala was sitting, creeping. I'm gonna say, oh no. Face that. But nah, like I said, man, just turning the camera on, being, you know what I'm saying, putting footages out. I'm just trying to, oh, you know where I'm gonna go. I'm just turning around. But them pops is crazy. I don't be hearing the pops, though. Y'all let me know how Olivia sound with the windows up. I really can make that turn, I ain't gonna lie. Anybody around? Anybody around? Let them go ahead, let them go. Dang, come on, man. Come on, yeah. Trying to see what's going on, man. Olivia sound with the windows, does she still sound kind of powerful, you know? Or is it like, or does it sound, you know what I'm saying, different? Or like it don't sound like it powerful for real. I ain't even hitting it for real, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to go crazy right here, but I'm gonna crack that window so I can hit out the wall though. That's crazy. Off the wall? Crazy. I forgot there's a wall right there. We need to come to that wall more often. But yeah, car crew, man, just quick little, you know what I'm saying, quick little video, man, just posting and talking with y'all, man. Y'all comment down below, like, just comment, bro, like, I'm gonna start having, like, certain questions I ask y'all for y'all to comment, bro. You know what I'm saying, keep y'all engaged with the video, you feel me? But yeah, like, y'all boy comment, I already said y'all favorite car. I don't know what else. Well, no, a lot of people didn't comment, though. But yeah, y'all comment that again, though, if you're watching. What's your favorite, your top, okay, I say two. Your top two favorite cars you would like to have. You know what I'm saying? No money, included, nothing like, you know what I'm saying? Not thinking like realistically, like you had to pay for it. Like you could just get a car, somebody pay, it's already paid off. What two cars you would like to have, bro? You know what I'm saying? That still exists. I ain't gonna say still exists, but like that you can get your hands on type joint. You know what I'm saying? Now comment down below your favorite two whips, top two ultimate whips, man. But yeah, like I said, this video wasn't really nothing, bro. Really just, someone told me to cut the camera. I don't know why. I just listen to my gut feeling sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Staying consistent with y'all boys, man. On the road to 10K, man. And after 10K, 100. You feel me? Then we just gonna be so up, car cool. The folk that been here now, y'all just gonna be like, dang, bro, with this nigga when Cuz was wishing he could be where he at right now. Like, for real, bro, that doesn't mean a lot, man. No cap. All y'all that's watching right now, man, I thank y'all, bro. I really do. I thank y'all, boy, bro, cause like, y'all don't know, like, just them views, even though some views don't be as much as others, but like, them views, bro, it helped me to realize, like, dang, bro, folks still, like, you know what I'm saying? They still watching. It's just, you gonna get there. Just stay patient. It's hard, boy, it's hard, I tell you, it's hard, but hey, we getting to it, man. But yeah, car crew, I ain't gonna talk too much, talk y'all head out. It's a real short video, so hopefully y'all watch the full video, cause it's not that long. It shouldn't take that much up of your day, you know what I'm saying? But, hey, man, like I said in my video, you gotta go, you trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it, car crew. Keep pushing, don't give up and don't quit. Also, man, for all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up the best way you can, man, and work on your bad habits. You know what I'm saying? And understand them and understand the word and understand him, like everything in general, bro. You gotta have your own understanding just to even, you know what I'm saying, process some of it, you feel me? To your own understanding, not somebody else understanding, your own understanding, you feel me? So like, how about you keep God first, man, everything you do, man, you know what I'm saying? Tell him thank you for all the things that you do for you, small to big, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and also, man, like I say in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.